So we're now in Disney, the best place on earth. And basically, when this is like my third time going to Disney. I went like once 2 years ago here in Florida, and the second time is this one, once in California. And when I go like to places like Disney or Universal Studios and stuff like that, I basically turned into a little 3-year-old kid that was gonna buy something. So I got these. Like, these are the trading pins, like $30 for them. But at least it's fun, like trading pins. And like I don't know the step process. Here is the card. So like the pin traded, it's easy as 1, 2, 3. So I have to meet the cast member wearing a pin, with the pin lanyard or accessory. Find the pin, favorite Disney character or attraction, movie or design must be in metal and display. Disney on the back. Your Disney, trade your Disney pin with the cast member. Pins they have Bluetooth, one of my favorite BFFs, Mickey, another Mickey, and Donald Duck. I hope I really enjoy it with my friends and my group, and we take that fun time. And I don't know where the hell am I right now. I just saw about like 2 rabbits, and then like other and then like I don't know what the game is called. So I hope I really like this game, because when I went to Disney, and I just saw like all the princess, the characters, character skits. I have a 10-year-old sister. It's like when you have a young sister, she's gonna waste your time. Let you see all the princess and all the characters, and then wear the hairdresser. Put the hairdresser on her hair and wear the dress and all that stuff. So like I'm with my group, so like I really hope I have I have a fun time there.
La forma, the shape.
Just wave your hands right under the spout to make the water and music come out. Wait, so like jewelry, and you have to put your hand like under here, and then water drops and the music comes at the same time. I love the connectivity between like nature and music. It's just beautiful. Yo, don't do it, Benny! Don't do it. No, don't do that. Don't do it. Don't do it. Wait, so let's just try.
How do you do that?
Whether these skills are real.
Oh, Benny's good. Give the barrel a great big spin. You'll be surprised. It will make you grin. Okay, so oh my god. Like I think like we just went inside, and I think like we're gonna release like an underground. Like, I don't know. Like I went to Disney, but like I've never like been to this game. But yo, what are you doing? What are you doing, Lance? What are you doing? Yeah, like
I will fight you for this jewel.
Yeah, it looks like it's like in a movie or something. Like, this movie that's called Flushed Away? That was like one of my favorite cartoon movies. It's like when the rat opened the box for the jewels and give it to the girls. It kind of looks like
Even Jack.
Don't hit it, Jack.
It's a way of life.
Like, it's Disney, yo, it's Disney, and you're playing Fortnite. We're in line. My computer is this close, like, to finish downloading. Like, we can, like, just come back to the hotel and play Fortnite.
I know, but we're in line.
Just
What else are we gonna do in line?
I don't know. Maybe just walk.
We're gonna picture on land.
Youssef.
No, like I didn't know. Like if we spit the jewelries, we have to spit the. Better get those W's.
He's gonna lose because he's in.
No, he's gonna get. I think he's gonna get the W.
Oh yeah.
You better get the W.
What's the W?
A win.
Bye. Oh, my phone is about to drop. Yo, Benny, you ready? I literally couldn't film the roller coaster part because my phone was about to fall. Oh my god. Oh no. Uh-oh. I am not ready for this. I am not ready for this. I think it's a trick. Benny. Yo, I think it's a trick. Oh no, it's not a trick. Oh no, we finished.
It's last year.
Like I wrote some like the one that that looks just like that one, but like things that like flips and go around and drops and all that stuff. I love it, but I haven't I haven't ride a roller coaster like that since forever, like 2 years or something. What?
Dude, my favorite roller coasters are the one with the loops.
Oh, that one?
Yeah.
Yo, like it's kind of cool, but I wish I could get a tripod or something. Like my parents are coming, are flying, because we went 18 hours from Virginia to Florida, and my parents, my sister, and my dad are now like flying. Yo, guys, Lance, yo, how was the ride?
It was great.
Scam.
I screamed the whole time and I dabbed once.
Yo, I loved it. Jack, where are we going next?
Space Mountain.
Yeah, we're probably going to Space Mountain. My first pin trade. Now, my group and I are going to this thing that's called. Sometimes I like scary stuff, but not all the time.
You've been thinking about this for a long time.
Sometimes, not
Those
all
ones
the
are
time,
different, 'cause
which
you
is
feel like you're
pretty amazing. This is the.
I don't want to.
I think this is the second time I go to a haunted mansion at Disney. It's not that scary, so it's gonna be amazing. Like the dancing scene and like with zombies, it kind of looks like Ready Player One.
Ready Player One?
Yes.
Yeah, I can see that. I can see that.
I'm not gonna spoil it for you.
And about from Chucky.
Go watch it. It's really amazing, but I'm not gonna spoil it for you. Oh, you can jump.
Wait, there's something going. Yo, I thought something is going. Whoa. Wait, is his head? Oh my god. Oh no, bro, this far. Bro, congratulations, you got possessed. Bro, he's in my yo, that's me.
Hey, what happened to my face?
Yeah, that's me. Oh, thank God we finished. What do you think of the game? What do you think of the haunted house?
It was not scary at all. At all.
It's kind of like, how about you, Jack?
I don't think I should have recorded it, but I did.
Yeah. How about you?
It was pretty scary, man.
Oh, pretty sure. Oh, okay. How about you?
I know it's okay.
Yeah. It was kind of okay, but like since it's kind of scary.
A bee attacked us again.
Yeah.
It was actually not. Eventually.
Yo, look. Yo, look at how. I look like I see me.
Wait, I can see
Yo.
I look like I'm having fun.
Oh, it's a bag right here. I don't understand. No hablo inglés. What?
You ready? Yo, Penny, you ready? You guys ready?
Howdy, partners!
Yeah.
For your
Let's
safety,
go.
remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the balloon, because this is the wildest ride in the world.
Don't worry. Bye. Bro, there is like... Bro, language! It's really cool. Water bottle beside me. Bro, like how what was that? Like there's literally a water bottle like like no, I literally feel like something just dropped from my pocket. Like literally.
That wasn't that bad.
Yeah, but like I feel like something just dropped out of my pocket. Like seriously.